Let's tell you a breaking news that's coming in. Crackdown on child marriages. The Assam government will table a bill to repeal the Assam Muslim Marriage and Divorce Registration Act of 1935 in the Assembly's forthcoming monsoon session, cementing a decision taken earlier this year to scrap the law. The 1935 Act lays down the process for registration of marriages and divorces in the state in line with Muslim personal law. In February, the cabinet decided to repeal it and approve the Assam Repealing Ordinance 2024. On Thursday, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma announced that the cabinet, after a meeting, had approved the tabling of the Assam Repealing Bill to 2024 to repeal the 1935 Act and its rules. Sarma also announced that the cabinet has decided that alternative registration should be introduced for Muslim marriages, which will be considered in the next assembly session.
आसाम मुस्लिम मैरिज एक्ट में साइल मैरिज को इजाजत देता था, तो हमने ये स्क्रैप करके ऑर्डिनेंस लाए थे। अभी वो ऑर्डिनेंस को हम बिल बनाऊंगा और नया एक कानून आएगा, जिस कानून का आधार में मुस्लिम रजिस्ट्रेशन अभी सरकार का घर में होगा और जो कानूनन जो एज बार है 18 एंड 21 उसी हिसाब में उसका रजिस्ट्रेशन होगा। पुराना कानून भी रद्द होगा और नया कानून बनेगा मुस्लिम रजिस्ट्रेशन का ऊपर।
Our colleague Sabyasachi is joining us live on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, once the act is repealed, what's going to change?
Well, see, a lot of it is going to change once the act has been brought in by the Assam government. See, as per the previous law, the child marriage could take place in the state of Assam, and with the introduce of the new bill, the Assam government is going to scrap the child marriage in the Muslim community. Now, if you talk about the 1935 Act, which was there till day in Assam, which clearly was in line with the Muslim law. See, at this particular point, the main agenda of the government was to make sure that they scrap the child marriage and to bring the law equal for everyone. See, that has been the main motive of the Assam government, and that is the reason why Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, in fact, while briefing the media, stated that by bringing in the new law, and equality will be there. Because regarding the UCC as well, we had seen that how the government stand is that to bring equality at every single category, and that is the reason why the Assam government has decided to scrap the 1935 Act and bring in a new law which will give equality to every single citizen.
Right. Sabyasachi, how is the opposition reacting to it?
Well, see, at this particular time, though the opposition has been maintaining the fact that the government should not change the law as it would hurt the sentiments of the people over there. But clearly at this particular time, the Assam government is of the view that the child marriage need to be scrapped as it is a draconian law and is in line with the Muslim Personal Board. And at this particular time, a new law is very much required in the state that would scrap the child marriages.
Right. Sabyasachi, just stay with us. Now reacting